Hello my YouTubers again, this is your cameraman Daniel for the 6th video for May 23rd, 2023, and I see they still got the cement truck out there. The time is exactly at 9:55 a.m., almost near 10 o'clock in the morning. They've been here since like 6 o'clock this morning or 6:30, the minute I just woke up. Yep. They might fit all those go-karts in. It might take like a little while to put everything in there. Yep, hopefully I won't even miss that. Still working on that cement truck. Yep. Well, folks, I hope you enjoy this little update for the same day, May 23rd. And please comment or subscribe or ring the bell if you like this video or the previous videos, just for today and from the previously ones in the past. I'll see you again next time when I give you more updates about this. In the meantime, your cameraman, Daniel Drupsky, signing off, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.